Case study in internet programming. The problem statement is to develop a JSP page to display the grade of a student by accepting the marks of 5 subjects. First, what is JSP? The abbreviation of JSP is Java Server Pages. It's a technology for developing web pages that supports dynamic content. This helps developers insert Java code in HTML pages by making use of some special JSP tags. Using JSP, we can be able to collect input from the user through web page forms, present records from a database or another source, and create web pages dynamically. Why we are using JSP? Performance is significantly better because JSP allows embedding dynamic elements in HTML pages itself instead of having separate CGI files. JSP are always compiled before they are processed by the server, unlike CGI or Perl, which requires the server to load an interpreter and the target script each time the page is requested. Here we are having two files. The first one is marks.html, and then we are declaring the document type. To change the license header, we have to choose license header in project properties, and to change the template file, we have to choose tools and then have to change the templates. We are declaring the header and the title part. Here student marks is declared as heading 1, and the action which is going to be performed in file 2, that is marks.jsp, is declared, and we are getting the inputs from the user, that is marks. The marks should be in text format. First enter marks in Java. The input type should be as text, and then the name is taken as Java, and then BR represents the line break, then NMA marks, and then MCDA and PPUD marks. These are all the subjects, and we are getting all the subject marks from the user. The second file is marks.jsp. Here we are declaring the document type and then head portion. In body portion, we are getting the input from the user and using the method called getParameter. The 5 different subjects are Java, NMA, MC, AD, PPUD, and then project. We are adding the marks of 5 subjects and storing it in C. And then we have to find the average of 5 subjects. That is total value divided by 5. And then for calculating the grade of all the 5 subjects, we have to declare an if statement. If the average of the 5 subject is greater than 90, then the output will be printed as your grade is A. If it is greater than or equal to 80, then the grade will be printed as B. If it is greater than or equal to 70, then the grade will be C, and if it is 60, then the grade is C. If the average mark is less than 60, then E grade is printed. Finally, student marks is the heading of the output page, and then we are getting the Java marks, NMA marks, MC, AD marks, PPUD marks, and project mark from the user. Once we submit the query, the output will be printed according to the marks that we are entering. Here all the 5 subject marks is greater than 90. So by taking the average of these marks, the average will be also greater than 90. So grade A will be printed. So finally grade A will be printed.